Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 17th March current affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, air pollution. Here there is a report on global air pollution was released from IQ Air. It is a Swiss air quality technology company. IQ Air is a Swiss air quality technology company. It specializes in protection against airborne pollutants and developing air quality monitoring and cleaning products. It specializes in protection against airborne pollutants and developing air quality monitoring and air cleaning products. Here there are 5 countries stood at 5 positions. Top 5 positions are most polluted countries. The first one, that is Bangladesh, next one Pakistan, and next one India. India stood at the 3rd position, that is we are on the 3rd position in terms of air pollution. Here Delhi remained the most polluted capital city in the world, but India on the whole had improved its average annual particulate matter 2.5 levels in 2020 than compared to in 2019. That is about air pollution. Next one, rule curve. Right side you can see the picture of 2 states, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. There is a river called Periyar is flowing through Kerala, but actually this Periyar water will goes to Tamil Nadu also. Here why it is in news? Why? Because the Supreme Court said the Tamil Nadu Chief Secretary will be personally responsible. He is the personally responsible and the appropriate action will be taken on failure to give information on the rule curve for Mullaperiyar Dam to Supreme Court appointed supervisory committee. Why? Why he has personally responsible and appropriate action? Why? Because the rule curve in dam decides the fluctuating storage levels in a reservoir. The most important one, it will decides the how the storage levels of reservoir is there. Here the gate opening schedule of dam is based on this rule curve only. If suppose he is not intimating or he is not deciding or he is not giving information to the government of Tamil Nadu as well as Kerala, then it may cause problem to both states. That's why he is personally responsible and appropriate action will be taken on the failure to give information on the rule curve. That is about rule curve. Here there is a report, that is World Energy Transition Outlook. It is a path to 1.5 degree Celsius pathway. Here the International Renewable Energy Agency, that is ARENA, released the World Energy Transition Outlook report. The report proposes energy transition solutions for the narrow pathway available to contain the rise of temperature 1.5 degrees Celsius. Here the major objective or the major thing, that is the COVID-19 crisis offers an unexpected opportunity for countries to decouple their economies from fossil fuels to and accelerate the shift to renewable energy sources. The most important thing, if we are accelerated or we have to shift towards the renewable energy sources. Next one, there is a bill, that is Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020. Here the original bill was in 1971. Here now it is the amendment bill, that is 2020. Here the Rajya Sabha passed the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Bill 2020 that increases the time period within which abortion may be carried out. Here it is about the when we will take the abortion if not required. The bill was passed in March last year in the Lok Sabha. After that it will go to the Rajya Sabha. Now Rajya Sabha also passed the bill. Here the bill also abortion to be done on the advice of one doctor up to 20 weeks. Previously it is in 12 weeks only. And now 2 doctors in the case of certain categories of women between 20 to 24 weeks. Previously 12 to 20 weeks. Now it is extended to the 20 weeks. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam.